Piggy banks versus digital wallets, which is better? In the realm of managing personal finances, the age-old tradition of using piggy banks for saving money now competes with the modern convenience of digital wallets. Both methods offer unique advantages and cater to different preferences and lifestyles. This video explores the pros and cons of piggy banks and digital wallets, delving into the factors that may influence individuals in choosing one over the other in their quest for financial management. Piggy banks provide a tangible and hands-on saving experience, especially for children. Physically placing money into a piggy bank offers a visual representation of the act of saving, making it a straightforward and concrete concept. Piggy banks allow users to set specific saving goals. Whether it's saving for a toy, a special outing, or long-term objectives, the limited space in a piggy bank encourages budgeting and goal setting in a physical, tangible way. Using a piggy bank teaches financial discipline, as individuals must resist the temptation to break it open before reaching their savings goal. This physical barrier can instill valuable lessons about delayed gratification and the importance of consistent saving. Piggy banks operate without reliance on technology. This simplicity can be appealing to those who prefer traditional methods or want to avoid the complexities and potential security concerns associated with digital transactions. Digital wallets offer unparalleled convenience and accessibility. Users can access their funds, make transactions, and track their spending from the convenience of their smartphones. This level of accessibility is especially advantageous in a fast-paced, digital world. Digital wallets often come equipped with robust security features such as biometric authentication, encryption, and transaction alerts. These features enhance the overall security of financial transactions, providing users with peace of mind regarding the safety of their money. Digital wallets promote a cashless lifestyle, allowing users to make transactions without the need for physical currency. This can be particularly advantageous in situations where carrying cash may be inconvenient or risky, and it aligns with the growing trend towards a cashless economy. Digital wallets offer built-in record-keeping and budget tracking features. Users can easily monitor their spending patterns, set budget limits, and receive notifications about their financial activity. This real-time insight into financial behavior promotes better financial management. Younger generations, accustomed to digital technology, may find digital wallets more appealing, while older individuals may have a sentimental attachment to the physicality of piggy banks. The nature of one's financial goals and lifestyle can influence the choice between piggy banks and digital wallets. Those with specific saving objectives might prefer the tangible experience of a piggy bank, while individuals focused on convenience and digital transactions may opt for a digital wallet. The comfort level with technology plays a significant role. Those who are tech-savvy and comfortable with digital transactions may gravitate towards digital wallets, while those who prefer a more straightforward approach may choose the familiar method of a piggy bank. What are the key advantages of using piggy banks for saving money? Piggy banks offer a tangible saving experience, encourage budgeting and goal setting, teach financial discipline, and operate without dependence on technology. They provide a visual representation of savings and are often associated with a sense of nostalgia. What advantages do digital wallets offer over piggy banks in terms of convenience and accessibility? Digital wallets provide unparalleled convenience and accessibility, allowing users to access their funds, make transactions, and track spending from their smartphones. They offer a cashless lifestyle, enhanced security features, and built-in tools for record-keeping and budget tracking. How do piggy banks and digital wallets differ in terms of security features? Piggy banks rely on physical barriers, requiring users to physically break them open to access savings. Digital wallets, on the other hand, often come equipped with advanced security features, such as biometric authentication, encryption, and transaction alerts, providing a secure platform for financial transactions. Which age groups might find piggy banks more appealing, and who might prefer digital wallets? Younger generations, accustomed to digital technology, may find digital wallets more appealing due to their convenience. Older individuals, who may have a sentimental attachment to traditional methods, might prefer the tangible experience of piggy banks. What factors should individuals consider when choosing between piggy banks and digital wallets? The choice between piggy banks and digital wallets depends on factors such as generational preferences, financial goals, lifestyle, and technological comfort level. Individuals should consider their preferences, the nature of their financial goals, and their comfort with technology when making a choice. Like the video and remember to subscribe to our channel.